as a personal finance expert, is anybody really making the right noises when it comes to the economy and basically how to get us through this cost of living crisis?
Yes, my favourite really here is Kemi Badenoch. I think she's the one that's been making the loudest noises when it comes to tax cuts in particular. Of course, Rishi Sunak has a handicap here because he's actually been running the economy, and a lot of people could point at all sorts of things that he's done, particularly increasing taxes. He's brought in, I think, 12 extra taxes in his time, many of them stealth. Personally, I think he would struggle, frankly, to show his credentials as somebody who could actually run the economy properly. Liz Truss is all right. I think she's pushing her credentials as having been in the Treasury. I'm not sure, frankly, that matters a great deal, but I think she is interested in cutting taxes. Penny Mordaunt, I suspect, wouldn't, not as much as the others. So she's down pretty much at the bottom, in my view.